Welcome to Seasons blog. Seasons Weekly number 20, April 25th, 2026 to May 1st, 2026. V2 transformation is in full swing, heading towards completion. And from finalizing the Seasons terminal to planning a Scribble campaign, Seasons had another week of building, shipping, and creating value on repeat. $155,677 plus total yield distributed. 310 nodes, $7,469 plus paid this week. Current average APY equals approximately 8.2%. 127,709 plus total seized transactions. 6,634 plus total holders, up approximately 1.75% from 6,520 last week. 0.14 plus wBTC, 2.2 plus ounces gold, and 13,580 plus jlUSDC. Seasons delivers a constant liquid cash flow and real assets to node owners, which no other existing DeFi protocol or instrument offers them. To this end, we've already distributed over 2 ounces of tokenized gold in under a month of launching Season 2, along with 0.14 plus wBTC, i.e., 14 million plus sats, and 13,000 plus jlUSDC, the yield-bearing stablecoin. V2 rollout is nearing its completion. Our upgraded branding is now reflected across almost every major public-facing touchpoint, from our blogs and social media to on-chain profiles. The seized token's identity and metadata have also been updated simultaneously across platforms such as SolScan, Phantom, OrbScan, Solana Explorer, Nansen, Dex Screener, and others. Updates for other remaining platforms are either already in progress or will be initiated over the next few days. Our upgraded website, V2, is also just about ready for launch. Seasons Terminal will go live soon. Less talk, more action. The much-awaited Seasons Terminal is ready for its alpha release and will go live next week or sooner. Soon, very soon, you'd be able to track your yield and node performance anytime, anywhere, as you wish. Your dashboard, your yield 3.0. Partner program upgraded with user-requested features. Alongside applying the new branding to the partner program, which will reflect once website V2 is live, we proactively developed a set of features requested by the program's early users. From revised volume tiers and a yearly leaderboard to the opt-out settings and a weekly digest, these enhancements boost accessibility and the overall experience for partners growing with Seasons. New Scribble campaign is being planned. We're planning a new Scribble campaign to celebrate our V2 rollouts and Seasons' undeterred journey from a proof of concept to a proven protocol that's now scaling to deliver the best, most sustainable yield DeFi can offer. Stay tuned for official announcements and make sure to join us if you're a creator. With the V2 transformation in its final leg, Seasons' stronger, more compelling era is already here. Yet it's still day one with many more weeks of exciting updates, releases, value creation, and unstoppable growth ahead. Seize the moment, seize the yield, and just let it grow.